Today, we go to a restaurant. We sit and eat together. We use easy English. We speak slowly. Let us begin. Welcome to the channel English Stories for Listening and Reading. This is easy English for beginners. Listen slowly and enjoy the story. I am at a small restaurant. The place is quiet. The tables are clean. I see a menu. Tom is with me.
I am here with you.
We sit near the window. The window is big.
I like the light.
The waiter comes. He smiles at us.
He looks kind.
We look at the menu. The menu is simple.
I see food names.
I see soup and rice. I see chicken and fish.
I feel a little hungry.
I feel hungry too. The waiter waits. I point to the menu.
I point with my finger.
I choose soup. The soup is hot.
I choose rice. The rice looks good.
We speak to the waiter. I say, please.
I say thank you.
The waiter writes notes. He walks away.
We wait at the table.
We talk softly. The restaurant is calm.
I hear soft music.
I smell food. The smell is nice.
My stomach feels happy.
The waiter comes back. He brings water.
I drink some water.
The glass is cold. The waiter brings food. He puts soup down.
He puts rice here.
The food is warm. I take a spoon.
I take a fork.
I taste the soup. The soup tastes good.
I eat the rice.
The rice is soft. We eat slowly. We enjoy the meal.
I feel relaxed.
The waiter checks on us. He asks if all is okay.
I nod my head.
I smile at him. We keep eating. The plates get empty.
My plate is clean.
My bowl is empty. We feel full now. I look around. Other people eat too. I see families. I see friends. The room feels friendly. Now I ask questions. Where are we eating? In a restaurant. What food do I have? Soup. What food do you eat? Rice. Who brings the food? The waiter. How do you feel now? Full. Good job. Let us continue. We finish the meal. The waiter brings the bill. The paper is small. I look at the bill. The price is fair. I feel okay about it. I take my wallet. I put money inside. I wait quietly. I give money to the waiter. He says thank you. I say thanks too. The waiter smiles again. We stand up slowly. I push the chair back. I put on my coat. The door is near. I walk with you. We open the door. Fresh air comes in. The air feels cool. We step outside. The street is busy. I hear cars. I hear voices. We talk about the food.
The meal was nice.
I agree with you. Eating together feels good. Now more questions. Where do we go next?
Outside.
Who pays the bill? You. What do we feel? Happy. How is the food?
Good.
Very nice. The story ends soon. The restaurant visit is over. I feel calm. I feel satisfied. I feel the same. We learned easy words. Restaurant. Menu. Food. Waiter. Bill. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful time with English stories for listening and reading.